Hello students, today I am continuing with the same topic, that is trigonometry, revision of trigonometry. And you know very well, today we solve some different question, very easy question. First question, chapter number 3rd, question number 1, sin square x plus sin square x minus y minus 2 sin x sin y sin x minus y sin x minus y, and that is equal to sin square y. Can you solve this question? Question is very easy. Left hand side, sin square x. You can take common. You can take common from here and here. Take common sin x minus y. Sin x minus y common. Sin x minus y common, then here sin x minus y minus 2 sin x cos y. Correct? You can check. In this step only take common sin x minus y. And the second step of this question, apply formula sin x minus y. Sin x minus y formula you know. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y minus 2 sin x cos y. Sin square x sin x minus y. You know very well. Simplify this term. That is minus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. You can take common. Sin square x, take minus common. It will become sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin square x sin x minus y, and this is formula again. Formula sin x cos y minus cos x sin y formula. Very simple formula. That is sin x plus y. That is sin x plus y. Sin square x. This is again formula. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, you know very well. Sin square a minus sin square b. This is the formula. Sin square x minus sin square y. Open the bracket. Sin square x minus sin square x plus sin square y. Open the bracket. I didn't know that this will cancel. Therefore, sin square y. Right hand side. Here. This is the solution of this question. You can check in this question. Firstly, you can take common sin x minus y. You can take common. After that, put here formula sin x minus y. This is the formula sin x minus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This formula. When you simplify, then take common minus common. Then this is again formula sin x minus sin x plus y formula. And this is the main formula of this question: sin x minus y, sin x plus y, that is sin square x minus sin square y. Clear? Now the answer. Next question. Sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x, that is equal to 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Second question. Miscellaneous exercise, question number 7 in NCERT. Apply here formula sin x minus sin y. You know about the formula sin x minus sin y. Apply this formula. Sin x minus sin y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. Apply this formula here. 2 cos 3x plus x, 4x by 2, 2x. 3x minus x, 2x by 2, that is x. And formula for sin 2x you know very well. 2 sin x cos x. Check again. We apply here two formulas, sin x minus sin y and formula for sin 2x. Formula for sin 2x is directly, you know, sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. There are two formulas of this. One in the form of tan, that is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now you can take common. 2 sin x common. 2 sin x common, that is cos 2x plus cos x. 2 sin x, cos x plus cos y formula. Cos x plus cos y formula you can say. 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Apply this formula. That is 2 cos 2x plus x, 3x by 2, 2x minus x, x by 2, and 2 into 2, 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. This is right hand side. This is the solution. Clear? This is the second question. Question number 3. Root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 cos 4x, that is equal to 2 cos x. 2 cos x. Clear? Prove that this is the question. Prove that left hand side take 2 common. Take 2 common from here. 2 common. 1 plus cos 4x. 1 plus cos 4x. And formula you know. Formula cos 2x formula you know very well. That is 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. And formula for cos 4x, When you double this angle also. That is 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Shift 1 to the left hand side. 1 plus cos 4x, that is equal to 2 cos square 2x. Apply that formula here. In place of 1 plus cos 4x, you can write 2 cos square 2x. One plus cos 4x, you can write 2 cos square 2x. 2 to the 4, and that is 2 cos 2x. Or root 4 into 2, and root cos square 2x into cos 2x. Take common 2 1 plus cos 2x. According to this formula, 1 plus cos 2x. According to this, shift 1 here, that is 1 plus cos 2x become formula 2 cos x. In place of 1 plus cos 2x, you can write 2 cos x, that is 4 cos x, and that is 2 cos x. Right hand side. Okay, this is question number. Very important question, you can check. Next question. One minus cos 2x plus sin x upon sin 2x plus cos x, that is equal to tan x. Correct? 1 minus cos 2x plus sin x upon sin 2x plus cos x. Prove that this question. Prove that left hand side. How can you solve this question? 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x formula, you know, 1 minus cos 2x formula. You know that, or you can put the formula of cos 2x. 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin x. Here formula 2 sin x cos x plus cos x. Now open the bracket. 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x plus sin x. Here you can take common. You can take common cos x. Take common cos x. That is 2 sin x plus 1. And from the numerator also take common sin x. That is 2 sin square x plus 1. Here cos x and 2 sin x plus 1. This will cancel. sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x tan x. This is right hand side. Clear? Your homework, revise chapter 3rd with example again and again. Okay. Thank you.